So everyone that have not applied for 401k yet, are you new in America? Are you new at your workplace? Are you new from Africa? That you have not applied for 401k at your workplace, that you don't know what 401k is, that you don't know that you are missing free money that your company gives you every time you get paid. This video is for you. So get ready. It's going to be a quick video. All you have to do is to click the link above here on this video right there. Click that or click it. Spend some time, watch the video. If you have any questions, down below link. It's your first time. Again, I'm repeating, first time you don't know what 401k is, this is your video. Start coming off.